This is a video on how to refill and reset an automatic pet feeder. This is a pet feeder for cats and small dogs. This pet feeder has already been configured for automatic feeding times at 6 AM every day, but now it has finished its 6 feeding cycles over the last 6 days and needs to be refilled. You need to open the clips, push in the middle, and then lift the tab. Any remaining food can be cleaned out of the system by removing the tray. The tray can also be washed. It is best to dry the tray after it's been washed. The tray is then placed back into the feeding system in any position. Food is then added to each of the trays. Taking note of this indent in the plastic here and here, we then place this tray on first. This goes on in this position here. Then, remembering those indents, that's what these two parts on the plastic lock into. And now we need to fasten the clips. We then need to set the system up so it commences feeding. We can do this by pressing the Start Now button. If the feeding is required to skip a day, press Start Tomorrow. But if this is filling up to feed the next day, press Start Now. The pet feeder will now rotate completely all the way around and then eventually stop. Once it's finished rotating, you'll notice number 6 is here. And now it's time to close this door. Ensure that this latch is engaged and this no longer freely opens. The pet feeder is now set up and will commence feeding on the next feed, and it will automatically open this door to allow your pet to eat. This concludes this video. Now this pet feeder will feed the cat for the next 6 days at the pre-programmed time of 6 AM. Thanks for watching. Bye.